So the second prize goes to Mehreen T. I would like to call
মেহরিন
Mehreen from class 4, Naisha Firdaus from class 3, Ashiana Parveen from class 5, Anabia from class 6, and Chitranga from class 3.
इधर इधर देखो इधर हो तो इधर
Requested to Inspector Divek sir please come and give the certificate to the student. Now I would like to call. So the first prize goes to Shreya P. Please come. Shreya from class 6, Jnana from class 5, Asya from class 3, Radha from class 3, and Ayansi class 3.
सीधा हो सीधा हो The certificate of Rangoli competition. Now, prize goes to Jnana Prasad from class 5. Please come.
ड्राइंग टीचर हो लोग
Now, two teachers can you please come and give the certificate of the student. Now the first prize goes to Mehreen Parveen from class 4. Please come. Now I would like to call Pratibha ma'am. Please come.
इधर आ जाइए इधर आ जाइए
So the first prize goes to ILC class 3. Please come. The second prize goes to Swastik Kriti from class 2. Swastik Kriti.
नास्तिक कितनी
Jyotsna ma'am, please come and give the certificate of the student. The first prize goes to Aman Kumar from class 2. Now we will distribute the prize of youth competition. So the third prize goes to Ayansi from class 3. Please come.
Ayansi.
Now I would like to call Lisha ma'am. Please come. So the second prize goes to Lasha Firdaus from class 3. Please come.
इधर देखो
Now I would like to call Ritika miss. Please come. So the first prize goes to Rishabh Raj from class 3. Please come.
Ai.
I would requested to our respected teacher Ritika miss, please come and give the certificate to the students for quiz competition. So the third prize goes to Richa Raj from class 6. The second prize goes to Anna Randus from class 5. The first prize goes to Mashu Galam from class 6.
नहीं आया
माशू हर बार उसका ही
Now I'd like
First of all, I would like to say you great congratulations on this our present Republic Day celebration. I would like to tell you lot of thanks to spend the more time in this ground by standing here all the our lovely kids and our dear students. I have great thanks of our all the teachers who supported in this program and cooperate in all the program to cooperate smoothly. Especially, I have great thanks for our honorable directors to motivate us, all the students among the teachers to improve the program and organize the program. Especially, I would like to thank our
Priya Aisha Miss.
And other teachers also like Vivek sir, Kanu
Sir and
Hello.
Parveen sir.
to smoothly cooperate in this program. All the teachers like Bhusna Miss, Amita Miss and Rivka Singh also
Yeah,
were supported in this program. All the senior students who participated and helped in our designing of Rangoli Festival also. A special thanks for our Manish ji and Geeta ji also who helped always in our program and debuted for this program.
ठीक है, बाद
At
में बात कर
last,
सभी अति हो रहा
I hope and I tell you lot of thanks, very thanks all the students, all the teachers, all the presented people who participated in program and here also. And at last, I like to wish you again. You will participate similarly with your strength, with your courage, with your energy in next program also. Thank you, all the best.